Hi friend, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee and as you all know I'm a booktuber and I'm making video on this book. The name of this book is Practice of Brahmacharya and friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video, so what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video so you can understand it in a better way friends, okay? And friends, what I'm doing is that I'm giving number to each and every video, so if you come sequence wise 1 2 3 4 you'll understand it in a better way. Apart from seeing 18 video, 20 video, 43 video, there is quite possibility that you get confused friends, okay? And friends, if you have any doubt, you can directly ask me in the comment section because I do see the comments and I give answer to each and every comments, friends. Okay. And friends, you can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906. So I'll spell it for you, friends. Okay. It's ABHIMANYU BHATTACHARJEE 1906. And friend, before proceeding further, I would like to tell you do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon. So whenever I update a new video, you will get the notification, friends. Okay. So friends, in our last video, I've covered the topic called power of lust. Okay. In our today's video, I'm going to cover the topic called effect of bad company, friends. Okay. And friends, um, okay. This is the 34th number video, and the topic is effects of bad company. So let us see what Swami Sivananda ji is telling to us in this topic. Okay. What is the state of your mind when you attend a dance or naughty party or when you read the mystery of the court of London? So here Swami Sivananda ji is telling that what is the state of your mind when you attend a dance or a naughty party or when you read the mystery of court of London. So let us see what Swami Sivananda ji is telling to us. What is the state of mind when you attend a satsang party of Swami Jayendra Puri Maharaj of Banaras, or when you are at a Rishikesh on the bank of the Ganga in a scheduled place, or when you study the soul evaluating classical Upanishad? So here Swami Sivananda is telling what is the state of your mind when you are in the satsang party or when you are in the satsang party of Swami Jayanda Puri Maharaj. What is your state of mind when you sit on the ghats of the Banaras in the Rishikesh on the banks of the river? And when your soul reads the classical Upanishad, what is the state of your mind? So here Swami Sivananda ji is asking us a question. So let us see. Compare and contrast your mental state. So Swami Sivananda is telling compare the mental state when you are in a party and when you are and what is the state of your mind, and when you are near to God in the spiritual bank in Rishikesh, what is the state of your mind? So definitely when we are connected to God, our state of mind is more good, apart from when we are in this type of party where the vibration is not correct, friends, right? So this Swami Sivananda ji want to make us understand in this topic. Construct your mental state. Remember that there is nothing so utterly ruinous to the soul as evil company. So yes, Swami Sivananda is telling there is nothing such utterly ruinous to the soul as evil in our company, right? Aspirant should shun ruthless all sort of evil company. So here aspirant should shun the ruthless, means we should not go in the evil company. We should always make good friends and we should always be in a good company. So we should not never ever try to go in a bad company, friends. Okay, so this Swami Sivananda is telling to us in this topic. They should not listen to the story concerning women. So we should not never listen a story which is concerned to a woman, friends. Okay, the luxuries way of rich person, pungent food, vehicle, politics, silken clothing, flower, scent, etc. So Swami Sivananda is telling these are the concern. This should not. The concern of the rich person is luxury food, going in good place, eating, yeah, wearing good clothes, politics, because the mind get easily excited by, because by this thing our mind get easily excited and we should avoid this thing, friends. Okay, it will begin to intimate the way of luxurious person. So our mind will also start getting the intimating way of the luxurious person. So this Swami Sivananda ji is telling to us in this topic. Desire will crop up, attachment will also come in. So our desire is going to crop up and our attachment is also going to come in. So this Swami Sivananda ji is telling to us in this topic. Immoral song produce a very bad deep impression in the mind. So the immoral song that are going to produce a very deep impression in our mind, friends. Okay, so this Swami Sivananda ji is telling to us in this topic. Aspirants should shun places where vicious songs are sung. So aspirants should sung those all places where vicious song is sung, friends. Okay, so this Swami Sivananda ji is telling to us in this topic. Obscure pictures, vulgar speeches, and novel which deals with romance, excite person, and produce ignoble. So we should not see vulgar pictures, vulgar speeches, and novel which try to create our mind and which try to create a negative impression in our mind, friends. Okay, so this Swami Sivananda is telling to us in this topic. Mean undesirable sentiment in the heart. So this all thing means the undesirable sentiment in our heart. So we should not do such thing which should produce undesirable sentiment in our heart, friends. Okay, so this Swami Sivananda is telling to us in this topic. Whereas the sight of a good picture of Krishna, Rama, Jesus, or Buddha, and hearing sublime songs of Surdas, Tulsidas, and other saints in India's noble sentiment and sincere devotion in the heart. So, apart from doing this, we should we should see the good pictures of Krishna, Rama, Jesus, or Buddha, which creates a good image in our, and we should listen the song of Tulsidas, Surdas, so that a positive vibration gets developed into our consciousness, friends. Okay, in our heart. So this Swami Sivananda is telling to us in this topic, producing divine thrill and tears of joy with prem, divine love, which elevate the mind to bhava samadhi ekatasi instantaneously. So what we should do, we should go into the devotion. So by being in the devotion, our mind will develop the bhava samadhi, that is the instantaneously. So this bhava samadhi is going to develop us instantaneously. So we should go into the devotion, friends. Okay, so this Swami Sivananda ji is telling to us in this topic. Do you see clearly the difference now? So Swami Sivananda ji is asking, can you see the difference now clearly? Yes, we can see the difference, friends. Okay, so this anything that brings impure thoughts in the mind is bad company. So anything which brings the impure thoughts in our mind is a bad company, because of our bad friends or something, a bad thoughts come in our mind. So if we are in a good company, if we are with a good friend, so negative things cannot come in our mind, friends. Okay, so this Swami Sivananda ji is telling to us in this topic. O aspirants, fly away from the company of worldly minded person. So here telling all the aspirants should just go away from the worldly minded person. So this Swami Sivananda is telling to us in this topic. Get away from the bustle of cities and tumultuousness of the world. So we should get the we should get out of the bustle of the city and the turbulence of the world. So I will spell this for you, friends. Okay, it's TUMULTUOUSNESS, turbulence of the world. So we should get out of this turbulence of the world. Those who talk of worldly affair will quickly pollute you. So those person who always talk about the worldly affair, they are going to quickly pollute us, friends. Okay, so this Swami Sivananda is telling to us in this topic. Your mind may waver, your mind may waver and begin to wonder. So our mind may be wavered, or our mind may be begin to wonder. So this Swami Sivananda is telling to us in this topic. You will have a downfall if you go to some uh, secluded place or live in the company of sadhus. So we are going to have a downfall if we are going to go in a secluded place, or if we live in the if we live in a place, or if we live in the company of sadhus. So this Swami Sivananda is telling to us in this topic. You will be far away from the danger zone. So we are going to go far away from the danger zone, friends. Okay, so this Swami Sivananda is telling to us in this topic. The magnetic aura and powerful thought currents of developed adepts produce a tremendous influence on the mind of the lustful people. So the magnetic aura and the powerful current thought develop. So if we are able to live lust from our life, so our aura is going to be magnetic, we are going to be strong, and we are going to be intelligent. So this Swami Sivananda ji is telling to us in this topic, have constant satsanga. So Swami Sivananda ji is telling we should have constant satsanga in our life, friends. Okay, so friends, this topic came to an end. In our this topic we covered the concept called effects of bad company, friends. Okay, and in our next topic I'm going to cover the concept called wet dream and spermatia. It's spermatoria. Okay, this is the topic. So friends, this topic came to an end. I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, and I'll meet you in the next video, friends. Okay, till then, goodbye, take care.